My friends, you guys are seeing the dirt, but I'm telling you, you ain't seen nothing. I leave this here this morning. This morning I leave this here, this garbage here. This morning I came down here. You guys saw me came down here this morning. It's 12 hours later and it's still in the same place. Salvation Army, Ace on the Middle Street side. Gunsav, Liquor, Bex Gunsav, Old Das building, going up here now. This is in the night, the gutters. I leave it so this morning, look. The gutters. This is Middle Street, going up. I think this is what CMG building. Look at this. Now, this been sitting here all day. I done did this morning. I didn't do this morning. I come back, look, this evening, look. Kentucky chicken bags. Kentucky chicken. Look at this. Look at this. The gutter. Look at this. Listen. And the smell of these gutters is unreal. Going up. See this water in this gutter here? The stench of this is unreal. Unreal. I think Miss Williams Bakery used to be in there one time. Penny Bread Bakery. Look at this. This is dead water. You know how long this dead water they have, my friends? Look at it. PH Vera. Over there. Garbage. More garbage. So this is Tokyo. Let me go Tokyo and see tonight. This is the sidewalk. Nice and wide. Pure garbage. Garbage. There is no sidewalk. There is no sidewalk. No sidewalk. None. 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 No sidewalk. Pure garbage. Garbage. Bigger Bigs in front, next to his place. Garbage. More garbage. This is Stink Tongue on a Sunday night. Look at that. More garbage. Garbage. More garbage. Heading towards the fish market. More garbage. I don't want you guys to smell the smell here. The smell here is unbearable. Unbearable. But just bear with me. More garbage. Garbage. This is Stink Tongue at night now. Let me say I did a bad job this morning. This is the sidewalk to go off to the fish market. There's a tent. Garbage everywhere. Garbage. Garbage everywhere. Everywhere is garbage. More garbage. Come out here. More garbage. Garbage. This is the fish market. This is the fish market. Outside the fish market, garbage. How could you send fish to the foreign land with things like this? Look at this. Garbage. This is Tokyo. The bus in them comes in here. Garbage. Garbage. More garbage. Look at this. Garbage. Garbage. More garbage. Let me cross over the island. This is an island that people are supposed to stand on. It's about 12 feet wide. Look at it. You can't self-stand it. This is a tent that was built, I guess, out of wood and everything to shelter the rain under when you're waiting for a bus. You can't get a shelter under this no more. Because why? Garbage. Look at this. Garbage. This tree root up everything. Garbage. Man, I'm telling you, something is wrong with this country. More garbage. Another umbrella. Look, pile up on the umbrella. That's the bench you're supposed to be sitting on. Right? Look at it. Garbage. More garbage. 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 Further you look is more garbage. Let's take a walk off towards the seawall. And where you're encountering more garbage. More garbage. Garbage. Garbage and more garbage. That's a light. You could tell it don't work. Broken down cat. Garbage. Garbage, man. More garbage. Look at it. Piles and piles and piles and piles of garbage. Old fridge, stove, fridge door. What this is? A little mini fridge. Old stove, fridge door. Look at this. Look at this here. This is the center of Kingston. This is the center of Stinktown. Look at this, my friends. Look at this, my enemies. Look at this. More garbage. As you go down. Let me walk back closer to the water. Alright. There's supposed to be a walkway here. Let me see what we encounter. Jump up on the walkway and I head in this way. This is going towards the fish market. And I gotta jump back off. Because why? There's a fridge on the sidewalk. There's a bench on the sidewalk where you're supposed to walk. This is where the passenger's supposed to walk, okay? I brought a bottle where it says Diamond Resort, whatever. Rum bottle. And you travel this way. And you go ahead and you keep going up. More garbage. This is the sidewalk, guys. More garbage. Garbage. This is Sunday night.
What's coming? So I'm going people, I see with them, chop people, I see them there.
Robbie! Is Robbie not there?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Alright, bro. Robbie not there?
Yeah, I'm coming over here.
Huh?
Yeah.
Robbie inside?
Yes, please.
Alright. More garbage. Look at this. Garbage, my friends. Garbage. That is 3 flagpole, 4 flagpole. We're supposed to be flying, I guess, the Japanese flag, the St Vincent flag, and the fisheries flag. Can't self fly because where they do the bill thing around it. My friends, like, I didn't do this. I didn't make none of this up. All I do is showing it to you. I didn't make none of this up. I don't have nothing here. I have an ice cream in my hand with a stick. That's all I have. Look at the sidewalk on this side. Garbage. Listen, man. Listen. You think we could do better? Eh? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it possible that we could do better? Is it possible? Going up here. Stink though. Stink. I'm telling you. I'm giving you notice. The stench is, this is Yankee. The stench. You know? That is one of the problems with over here. It's the stench. It's the stench, man. Prescott Gallery, which is now the Soccer Football Federation building. And they got garbage on it. That's why they get bent up in the street. Look at that, St Vincent and the Grenadines Football Federation. Nice building. Real clean. Not too bad outside. Not too bad around. They're doing a good job. They're doing a good job. They gotta get football. They gotta get them thing on the other side going down Higginson Street.